这个东西放哪里了？
现在可以测试到进口儿，就把那个它里面的他们说话，就是在这。
要不先去？
现在的他们现在这些他们现在别个看不到的。
这现在是测试，这不是直播中了吗？
直播中但是别个看不到，因为我们预约的是8点钟。我设了的。
这个是啥子？去看下的。
第一个介绍的就是。
把这个地址复制下来，复制下发在群中嘛。
有那么多线，这个有那么多线。
找个地方，找个分享的
机了。有那么多线，我就不需要给你测到啥子了，我直接每个都给你接起。我还需要测东西的嘛。
我超过了这个。
哎，他下面的那个线，我看他写的，他写的代码都是写的长臂嘛，
没选
写的长开嘛。
没有，这同步画面。
这两个是长臂，这两个是长开。
哎，
因为他设我看那个
他那个有误。
我原来
这两个
代码高头写的下面那个是长开，上面
这两个是臂，这两个是开。
我没选的。
咋没完？他转的慢噻，他一分钟差不多一转嘛。
他在转吗？啊，他在转吗？
他咋会在转呢？我把他当着还不就没转了吗？
对啊，你这个播了1分钟对吧？
看不见在转吗？
就是嘛，
定的时间是20点。
但是
我以为会是那种。
但是那个有点误，就是摄像头
我没想到是这样子转。
我看有点误就是。
你看到了？
就是小孩起来。
咱们看到呀。
我们是话题听到了。
你看嘛。
再等一个。
你们 Facebook 跟 YouTube 已经过去了。
这个长臂
9位了。
这里是，这个确实是长臂的。
哎，9位了。
哎，9位了，你告诉他买行不行？
哦，把那买了一次哈，然后阿里巴巴就点进来了，管你妈。
你不要说话了哈，你刚才不要说话。
好，现在都不要说话了，只能主播2位主播说话。都不要说3话了哈。
不要说中文了哈。
然后阿里巴巴的那个地址他们分享出去。
传年正式直播是吧？
你自己去吧，我告诉
你。我肯定没得时间接。
那你讲啥子？
我们
对了，想我对了。
我告诉你说哪个位置。
摄像头调换一下，你现在是前置。
切换。
上面的3个点。
哎，你想去？我怎么飞了？这儿上3个点。
不是。
错了。
要不演示就最后来，是吗？
调进程调到哪里？春哥你也调下进程，还没开始哈。几位好，调好了以后你按那个东西就开始了。
哎，你们两个先坐好嘞。
那换噻。
手不要拖到腮上啊。
哎，来看镜头嘞，这个是主镜头，阿里巴巴这个哈，这是主镜头啊，可以吧？
可以的，可以。把那个抖音打开吗？
那个屁，老子。
有3个。
哎，你不要刚刚洗完了，我开了以后，你就可以
开演示就，最后一起来提演示。
对了 ，everybody OK。
哎呀，都没调好。
你们要用指纹 work content。你说啊，你 work content。
就我其实是没看到这是哪个进来的，你不管他哪个，你直接说，就没得名字。
啊，没就是 work 那个新进来的工作，就是那个新进来的工作。
记得没记？
比干嘛？你们可以简单的聊一下嘛，就是我们现在是什么直播，在哪一平台直播，然后我们这直播现在是从什么时候开始啊？我们今天大概就随便聊嘛。
现在几点了？要开始了。哎呀，为了
7:54。没有人进来，我把抱歉。
所以我们现在看不到。
我们的正式直播是8点钟开始。你们讲一下啊，我看一下他的麦。我的手机可能
是也是吧？
我手机。
我那个方块屏把我给整到了。今天没打理好，
蛮是对的，蛮是对的。
不是这个人，
蛮是对的。
不是这个人，直接看，哪里有看？
不看，我是最看的是人家不看。
然后你还是要看这个。
买家进入直播间了。
人家就看呀。
你再打一个，咱们开始。需要白纸吗？就要用这个对应是可以。
没写完。
Start。这个小一样，超开心。ART。
啥？看到吧。
买家进入直播间了。
Welcome to our live show。你说你要说不接了吧？咱们还是他说对不对？
开始。
有没？
我们开始就开始讲了。
我们在上面。没有，就是重复的讲。Welcome to our live show. Our company is Wakoda.
Yes, this is the live show about our Wakoda instruments. Yes, we are a manufacturer about the level switch, level indicators, and the types of flow meters, temperature, and so on. Yes.
We will start on 8 p.m. 8 o'clock.
Yes, now it remains 3 minutes. Please wait. Now it should have some music. Hello.
Welcome to our live show. Yeah, we will start on 8 o'clock. Just wait a moment.
So we'll
Tôi xài cái tớ một số thế này. Thằng con à?还5分钟了，没必要谢了。老师，我手机能拿过来吗？
有买家进入直播间了。
Welcome to our live show. We will start it after 1 minute. 你先看一下。开始了呀。
字幕链接还没发吗？
哦，
只有阿里巴巴。
好歪呀！
啊。
嗯。
YouTube 的，Facebook 的客户登录的，我建登录的。
YouTube 的你 YouTube 没了信息，他看 YouTube 吗？
或者 Facebook 都行。
开始了。OK 了吗？
直接去发给他了。
YouTube 发就发不去。
这个。开始了呀，这个。开始了这个。
Hello. Welcome to our lecture. This is Kevin. Glad to meet you here.
This is Rotary. Welcome to our live show.
Yes, this is our shows about recording instruments, and we are manufacturing about types of the measuring instruments, include level, flow, temperature, and pressure transmitters. Yes, so today we will going to show you the types of level switches of our products. And the first one, let's show our floatable type level switch. And please check.
Okay, wait a moment. Let me see the.
Yes, we will
It's
change the camera to see the product. Yes, first you can see the appearance about the floatable level switch, and the in output head, it is the admittance type, and this sample is the explosion proof, so it can use in the risk environment, and also you can check the EX labels on the head. Yeah. And then we will open it, and you can see the simple connection inside it. It has normal open, normal close, and it is very simple. If you don't know, we will give you the instruction, or you can just reply from our official website. And next, about the thread collection about the float level switch, and this sample one is the thread collections. And so we also have other types. Do you know?
How many types?
Yes.
Which types?
Yes, we have types of the street and about the flange and any standard, any size, and it is according to your tax. Yes, after the collection, and next we will talk about the level switch is single. Yes, about this you can see. We have two types of the single switches. It's one for SPDT and one for SPST. And this is you can choose the normal open or normal closed ways on your working site. So if you don't know, you can also visit our website.
I say this only have two slots.
Yes.
On the switch, this is the only two switch point.
No, not this one. This is our sample, so we made it 2 points. But actually, if you want, it can be max 8 switch points about this one. So I think 8 switch points is already can satisfy your request. Yes, and about the installation. It is the top-mounted one. You can see it. The top mount of the VSC is top mount. This is the tag and installed top side.
Only one installation.
Yes, no. We also have other types. Yes, please wait. We will show you our other types about the switch. Wait a moment. Due to we have not the samples here, so we show you the pictures about another new design side-mounted types. Yes, this is the one about our new design floatable level switches. And this you can see the tag. You can see the tag. Here is the tag, and it is the side-mounted type. But the float is the vertical types. And in this installation way, it can max have 8 switch points, 1, 2, and up to 8 switch points. This is our new designs. So this is the general parameters about our float type level switches. If you want to know more about the selection, or other application about the float level switch, you can also visit our official website and just ask us. We will help you to make the selections.
Yes, you can collect the below, can get our catalog and or go to our store. There will have someone will contact with you and reply all your questions.
Yes, we will all reply to you about.
Yeah, this is our parameter. You can see the model number and another number you can see.
Yes, this is the general parameters about the floatable level switch. You can see it's just showing the sample. And next other, and in the end we will also do some simple operation demonstration about how does the level gauge works, and we will show you next. Show you in the end. Please wait. Yes, so this is the first one of our floatable level switch. Okay.
And this is our today price. You can
Yes.
see this is our before price. This is our living price. Now today is more cheap than any time.
Yes, due to this is our first live show, so we ask for some big discount about the float level switches. If the basic transmitters and the basic parameters apply to your applications, you can ask our agent in the internet and ask her, hey, the parameters and get the prices. You can see this is really the big account, big discount.
Yes, let we go to the next one, next product.
Yes. Please wait, we will show you the next product. Next switch. Yes. This one, you can see this is our tuning fork. This is our tuning fork level switches, and this is the sample one, the parameters about these samples. You can see the general parameters about it. Also the same head, display head, but it's the new design about the head. It also the display. It also the explosion proof and ammeters.
Yes, you can get our catalog. Just click our below. That's why get the catalog. Just okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
And next, the same collection of the floatable level switch. If you want to know more, please just ask our engineer about on the internet. And for this tuning fork level switches, and this is have only one switch point due to the point level switches. It is about the tuning fork level switches. Yes, and the output of this single is the relay output. You can have max 3 amp and 220 voltages. Also the tuning fork level switches. This one is you can maybe in your school lessons you may also learn it about the vibrating tuning forks. It is very simple. You can see it is include 2 types of piezoelectric wafer. So when connect to the power, it will drive one of the piezoelectric vibrating, and then it will another one will receive the vibrating, and then it will form the resonate of the sensor. Yes, then the fork vibrating when collect the electricity. When the media contact the vibrating, and it will stop vibrating, and then now it will output a single. Then you can use the single to your applications. This is the working principle of this tuning fork and switches. Yes, this is the tuning fork and switches.
Yes, you can see more near our all information on this paper. You can see it's more clean.
Yes, this is the basic power supplies to 220 VAC at temperature. And this one for normal type, it can max have 80 degrees, and the general collection size, general contact capacities. You can also choose. So due to this one is also very simple. So you can just and about the installation. You can choose first. You need to configure one switch point. You need to measure, and then you will install this level switch on your point. This is yeah.
Next, let me see today our price. Today our price is 115, and it's very cheap today.
Yes, for these tuning fork level switches, and it is for your standard working conditions, not high temperature and not high pressure. And for standard collection, the price today we will give you the minimum price. You can see it, and if you have this request about it, you can contact our managers.
Yes, you can see our product is very good, and the quality also is very good, and the color and the shape. This price is very nice today. So welcome the new one. Welcome to our live show. And now we will start to next product. You about the price. This price only today. Live price. Thank you.
Yes, the next one we will show you the rotary pedals level switches about this one.
Because our already contact cable, so we cannot move it more.
Yes, this one we will do the application samples. And this one, the head and the collection is all the same about our most types of the level switches, but the difference of this one is the working principle of the level switches, and it has the motor inside it, and when we contact the electricities, and the rotary panel will slowly rotating. Next you will, and later you will see our application operations on it. You will see the slowly rotating, and then it will up to the, and this is the basic one. And when it working principle is that when they rotating and when contact the major, it will stop the rotating, and then it will output the signal of the level switch, and it will use to your applications. And this is the working principles about our rotary pedal switches. And here, besides, you can also see this sample. You can also see the general parameters about this sample, and this is the one. And about the rotary panel, this is our features about this one. And we have many types of the panel switches, and this is the new design. It's the full type. So you don't worry about your installation holes. If your installation holes too small, you can choose this fold one. And when input it in the tag, it will unfold it. So it can run into the normal operations. This is the general parameters. You can also see it. If you want to know more, this is just one sample about the general parameters. So if you want to know, but actually our level switches can be applied to types of working conditions. So if your working condition is not this one, so you can choose, you can contact our managers and they will help you to make the right corrections about it. Yes. And just now we showed you our fold type kind of switches. And here you can see we have A, B, C, D, Z, 5 types of the level switch. You can see it. Maybe the picture due to we have not the real panels, so you can see the reference pictures. Maybe the pictures is not very clearly. Maybe it is not very clearly, and you need to more informations. We will send you or leave your contact information. We will contact you and send you the details about it.
Okay, now let we see.
Yes.
Let us see today the special price. Yes, this is our before price 70, and now it's 55. This is only our living price, and
Yes.
only today. So if someone interested in our products can contact with us and or collect our below information can get our catalog. Yes.
Yes, the
And
amazing price.
Yes, this price is very nice and it's have big discount.
Yes, amazing price. We don't ever sold the level switch by
Yes,
such low
yes.
prices.
Is our this product. See, after we introduce it, we will test it. You can see how to
Yes.
its work and how to use it.
Yes, in the end we will test types of our level switches, and you can see the general operations.
Okay, now let me go to the next products.
Yes, the next product is this one. Do you know? Do you know this? And this is the electro type. It is also the level switches. It is also level switches. And for this sample, and you can see from the product name, electrode. So it is inducted or it has applied to the inductive or liquids. So you can only apply it to the conductive liquid. Yes, you can see this sample and beside the general parameters. And this sample the collections, 3 collections, and it has two road. So and for this one it has 1 switch point. You can see it, and when it has a differentness, the differentness indicate the different switch point you need. And for this one we can max have 6 switch points. Yes, but for more than two switch points, you need to choose the flange collections. The switch collection can max have 2 points.
Only 2?
Yes, for 3 only 2, but for flange it can have max 6.
Okay.
And remember, this is for the conductive liquids, must conductive, and then it will work. Yes, you can And this is one. This is also the very simple one. And for this product, it is actually it is started to use many years ago for this. So this is not a new product, but nowadays some people just used it again. So we make this product into our product list. It is very simple. And another important one, this one cannot used in the explosion-proof environment. So it can just use the standard environment. This is very important to remember this point.
Remember this one. This
Yes.
one is very important.
Yes, explosion-proof environment will damage the level switches.
Now we can
Yes.
We can see this or information
The
more
generals.
clean. Yeah, you can see the model
The plant.
number, the pressure connected, and
Yes, the length, the insert length, total length, and another one for different lengths of the road, it will choose the different switch pointers you can choose. Yes, this is the and also for the display head, cable gland, or the explosion-proof head materials and luminous. This is for standard of most of our level switches. That is the same materials and the same head. So we won't ask for it again. And please, you can for more. You can also visit our official website or address for more details. Or you can just send telephone. We will call back, reply back. Don't worry about it. We will reply you within 12 hours. Yeah, and that's the one. And next, also
and now we can
the price.
the important things is our price.
Yes, for this product, you can also consider our max discount prices. Due to generally times, we also sell it more than 200. So in this time, this is really no prices.
Yes, this is
Yeah.
very cheap price. You can see this discount. You can contact how many discount in this, and this price only for today, only for this hour, only for our living show.
Yes, frankly, so I know the price is not the most important, and our most important point is the parameters can applies to and suitable for your working conditions and make your working process more fluent. This is the most important one. And the price, you don't worry about it. We will give you the best discount.
Yes, and if you're interested in it, you can contact with ourselves. They will reply all your questions and tell you how to buy it and what's the problem on our product.
Yes, so this is the electrode type liquid level switches. If you have any requests, just contact us.
We can see.
Yes, and just now we introduced types of the level switches: float type, tuning fork type, rotary type, and electrode types. And these types we don't see the temperature and pressures just now. And you can see we make a list about it. The general temperature and general pressures, the applications you can use. Yes, you can see it. The max. We here we list the max. We here list the max values, and you can. Due to this, our product is also for the customized. So you can if you're actually if your working conditions beside the range, you can just contact me. If not inside the range, you can also contact me. We will do you the special customize, so you don't worry about your special working conditions. Yes, due to we have 24 years working experience about our most of the national projects about it. Yes, so you don't worry about it.
Okay, now we do the
Yes.
test or talk the next
Yes.
product.
We just introduce the types of the level switches, so and then we will going to show you the types of level switches, how to make the operations. You can see our shoes. Please wait, we will make some preparations.
Yes, we will show you.
Yes.
We will show you
Please
to
wait.
how to work. So
Please wait. We will move the camera. We will move the camera. Wait. Due to our tap is a little heavy, we cannot move it. Please see it. Yes, you can see. Do you remember what is this level switches? Yes, it is the rotary pedal switches, and for installation, you can usually it is the top mounted, but also you can choose this one. You can see the directions from it can this is installation. So we will give you the structures, and you can see the slowly, please. Close to you can see the slowly rotating about the left switch, right? Can you see it?
it's moved.
Yes.
Very slow.
Slowly. This is the working condition. It is under working conditions. When the major up, when it contact the switch, it will slowly stop the rotating, and then you can see the signal. Then it stops rotating, and then the signal output. You can see our light. It is flashing on it. You can see, right? And then when the major slow down about the attack, the light goes. Yes, so when the pedals slowly moves, slowly rotated, so it is the working time. It is the major up time. When stopped rotating, the signal will output. This is the basic working principle about the level switch. So it's very simple. Just stop rotating and signal output. And we will give a power supply. And this one is you can choose 220 voltages and to 24 VDC. You can choose. So we will go into the next one.
Okay, we will go into the next one to test.
Yes.
Just we talk with the first one. You can see. We will connect the cable link and talk with.
Yes,
Let's show you
We will-
later.
We will also make the wiring connection. So please wait a moment. You can see.
Let's see all about that more and have information.
Yes, you can see for this sample it is the branch types. And you can here see the max 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 switch points in this one, and the exertness is 600 millimeters, and the flows 4 flows, and this is the water to indicate more obviously. So we add some colors in the waters.
we
Yes.
contact it.
And this is also our new head. You can see our old head. About this is the blue one. Is this shape? This shape, the blue one, and the new one we make the new. Yes, new shape. Also for admittance. And now we are going to make the wiring connections. We will also show it.
Yes, now our engineer is
Wait.
contacting it. Just wait a moment,
Like,
and
we
you
will make the
can see
connection.
it's more clean how to work, how to connecting it. Just maybe our energy have a little. How many minutes need to?
Yes, very
finish
well.
this
Due to for the test, so we don't make the cable. We don't the cable from here. So you can see we yes, we also collect the collection. You can see when the flow we get the float up.
Up. Yeah, they were.
Anything? Have you found something changed? Yes, the light on. And this we collect the switch points. And when the flows down,
量下限，量上限。你说不得行，有错线。
yes. When the switch points changed, this due to here we just connected to one point. Yes, 1 point. So here it is the lights on only when we let the float on. When let the float up, it will turn on, and when the floats down, so we will connect another wiring connections. So here for test, we just collect one. So you don't worry, it doesn't work. We will for each one of the connection, we will give you the instructions and the descriptions about all the information. You don't worry, you just connect to your PLC or other control systems. Yes. And this is our two types of the level switches work. It also the same for level switch. It output the single switches, so it can make your alarm switches connect to your pumps to make the water in and the water out, and so on. It can realize most of the satisfied requirements about your working conditions. So you don't worry about it. And this is our test for the level switches. There are two types of the level switches, and this is float level switches. And just now, and last one, it is the tuning. It is the rotary types.
Okay, so now we finish all the tests, right?
Yes. And if you want to know more about the operation, the instruction installation, you can just reply to our sales manager on the website, official website, Alibaba or other platforms. It will all get the replies about it.
Okay,
Yes.
now let we check. Let we see our price again. I'm afraid
Yes,
you forget
nice.
it.
You can
Yes.
see, we will show you again the price about our types of the switches.
We can see the first one, the price. I will show you.
Yes. This is the float. The float one, float type 3 collections. And for standard, normal open or normal close, you choose one before you order. So, and this one, the price, material, stainless steels. So this is the price here today is 75.
Yes, let me see
Yes.
the price again. Before is 105, and now is 75. This
Yes,
is
the price.
our 11 price.
Yes, the user's up to 1 meters. The measuring range you can sit 1 meters. Between 1 meters, you sit 2 switch points about it. For normal open or normal close, and the price is 75.
And this is our the
Yeah.
most small one.
Yes, the first standard one, the 1 meters, 2 switch points. 1 meters, 2 switch points. Stainless steel, 3 collections, no exploding proofs. This is the standard parameters. The price is showing here. You can see it. If these parameters suitable for your working conditions, you can just contact our sales managers for more details.
Yes. Let me see the next one.
Yes. The next one, the tuning fork. The tuning fork level switches. Also for this is also 1 switch point. First, you need to check. You only need 1 switch point. You only need 1 switch point. You can choose this one. And for liquid, it can use for liquid, solid, or powder particles. You can also choose for this one. Yes, yes. This one, the insertness is too long, but for the standard length, 100 millimeters. From the thread up to the and till to the end for 100 millimeters. This is the standard one. And output the relay output is also thread collection and aluminum head, no exploding proof type, normal temperature and normal pressures. And this is the tuning fork level switch. The price is $115.
Here you can see our price
Yes.
more clean. This is our before price 165, and now the price is 115.
Yes,
And this is our living price, and this is our price. After they will not have this price. And if you're interested yet, please contact with us.
Yes, this is the tuning fork level switches. $115.
Yeah, it's very, very cheap.
Yes.
And now let we see the next one.
Yes. The next one, the rotary level switches. Wait. We will show you through. Yes, this one. And for this sample one, it is not insertless. And also for standard, the insertless from the collection thread till to the end, it is 100 millimeters. And the standard panel is a type A. You can also show it's a type A. Also, we show it here, the type A. This is for standard one. Type A panels and 100 millimeters. Also for G1 thread collections and aluminum head, and output switch single and the not explosion proof types. Normal temperature, normal pressures. This is the standard parameters. If you need this to your working conditions, you can choose this one.
Yes, you can see
Yeah.
before the price is 70 and now the price is 55. If you are interested in our products, please contact with us. And you can go to our store. There we'll have somebody contacts with you and reply all your questions.
Yes,
Thank
some
you.
quick link, you can just make the purchase.
Yes, let me see the next one.
Yes, the next one, the next switch. The next
This one,
switch
right?
is the last switches we choose tonight. This is the electrode. I think you still remember the product name, electrode type liquid level switches. And yes, and this is also for standard within 1 meters, and you can up to have the 2 switch points about it. And this one is the 1 point, so it has 3. It has 3 rows for the standard one. Also for G3 collections, and the head is also the same aluminum, non-explosion proof, and the working normal temperature, normal pressures, and this one. And here we also show you our price today about these level switches. You can see here our instructions, the price, the special price for this one, $110.
Yes, you can see before the price is 186 and now the price is 110. The discount is very, very big. If you're interested, please contact with us. There will have someone contact with you and reply all your questions. And you can get our catalog also. There can contact, click our below information. There can get our contact.
Yes, our
Sorry.
catalog. Yes, we will send you the catalogs. Yes, for this, so this is tonight we provide you the 2 types of the level switches: the floatable type, the uniform type, the rotating handles type, and this one electrode type level switches. So this is the 4 types we show you tonight. If you want to know more about the level switch, is it suitable for your work condition? Just contact us.
Yes, you can follow our shop and we will always open the living shop. If you want, you can see it. If you follow our store, they will give you message when we open the living shop. Thank you. This is our today all information, all products show everyone. Thank you for your watching and thank you for your liking.
Yes, and next we will, due to this is our first live show, and we only choose 1, 2, 3, 4 level switches, but we also have other types of level switches and other types of level indicator, level sensor, level transmitters, and flow meters types, and temperature transmitters, pressure transmitters. So it is many types about during the process control, during your process controls. For the measuring instruments, we all have it. So in your factory, actually introduce, you can choose us and ask our managers for it. More information.
Okay, next time we will show you more tabs and let me see the next time. Bye.
So yes.
Thank you.
Hello. Anyone ask questions? Please wait.
And now you can ask some question. We can reply you now. Yes, if someone want to ask,
Yes.
you can tap on it. We can reply you now.
Thank you. I will send you the. Yes, you want to the content. I will show you later. I will send you our catalogs. Yes, thank you for your watching for this time.
Thank you. Yes, our product is really very good. The quality also very good.
Yes.
And someone have another question?
谢谢。Yes, next time we will show you more level switch or level instruments or other measuring instruments. So if you have any suggestion or any request about our introduction of the product, our live shows, please you can send it to our email or just call us for your request. Yes, so this is this time of the live show.
Yes, thank you for your watching. Thank you for your liking.
Yes.
Goodbye.
这个就是借口。
这个嘛，我也说嘛。
那你那个一开始有个一，
是他们那个同事那个。
不错。
要摆一个。
太考验我反应能力了，我快要疯了。
要摆一个时间在那儿。完全我没有，我讲了好长时间，讲了啥子东西我都完全记不到了。
我不出来了。
我也可以。
你是不是给播了个时间？
没有，因为我刚开始感觉时间可能不够，我就说我再来把那个价格给他们展示一下，我再来讲一遍。但是这些东西我已经很难找出来了。
而且那个也没有。
因为像我可能掌握不到确实应该摆个时间，因为像我掌握不到时间，那的语速放在那儿摆。
对，小小的语速，来这样子，我跟你说，这样子把大家这手关了没有？
来，
这个没关。
走。
哎，这手关了没有？来，走来，怎么看？上来，来。